It's been a while since I've been able to do any driving other than what was strictly necessary because my car was in need of some crucial repairs and maintenance. But today, with my car freshly repaired and the dashboard thermometer reading 61 degrees, I headed out to visit Pennsylvania's Valley Forge National Historical Park. Valley Forge is where the U.S. Continental Army spent the winter of 1777 through spring of 1778 during the Revolution while the British were occupying Philadelphia. Valley Forge was Pennsylvania's first state park established in 1893. It became a national park in 1976. Today it covers 3,500 acres of protected land and has about 30 miles of trails. And one of the really nice things about this park is that it's free. I decided to do the 10-mile driving loop, which takes you to 9 different sites where you can stop and look around. I thought that would be a chill, easy way to see all the major points of interest. Alright, I'm gonna head into the visitor center, check that out, and I'll find out from there which way to go for the driving loop. In December of 1777, Washington and his 12,000 troops, along with numerous women and children, arrived in Valley Forge from Philadelphia and began establishing a camp. They cut down trees for miles around to build 2,000 small log cabins, creating what would become, for the next 6 months anyway, the 4th largest city in colonial America. The encampment suffered from shortages of food, clothing, and supplies, not to mention infectious diseases, as well as infections resulting from the medical treatments of the time. About 2,000 people and 1,500 horses died over the winter. Okay, so the visitor center was stop 1 on the drive, so I'm headed now to stop number 2. Stop number 2 on the tour is the site of 9 reconstructed versions of the log huts that served as soldiers' living quarters. Apparently during the summer, this is the area where they have park employees and volunteers doing some 18th century LARPing, so I'm really glad I didn't come here then. This is what the cabin of a commissioned officer of the time, i.e. someone from a rich family, would have looked like. And here's where the regular soldiers and their families lived. Oh my god, if there's that much stuff to see at each of these sites, I don't know if I'm gonna get through all of them. I can't spend this long at each one. of all, I couldn't figure out how to park here. And I really wanted a wide shot of myself under the arch, but it's really fucking windy out. And all I have with me is this, and it fucking fell over, so I couldn't get it. But that's okay. Okay, so I have now circled around, back out onto a main road, accidentally left the park, ended up back at the Wayne statue I was just at, and I've been reduced to looking up each next tour stop on Google Maps and using those directions because these stops are so hard to find. There's some signs with arrows guiding you along the tour, but I thought I followed them and I ended up outside the park. So, let's try this again. Okay, so I parked in the parking lot at Washington's headquarters, which appears to be like a whole experience unto itself, and I just... Here's a picture of it. Alright, I drove past a sign for 6, but I missed it, and, you know, I can't go back. Somehow I'm at 8 now, which is some other statue, but it looks like I would have to walk a bit to get to it, and it's too fucking windy. Oh, actually, here's the statue right next to the parking lot. There's the back of it. There it is. Yay, great. I managed to make it to the final stop on the tour, which is a Gothic revival chapel built between 1903 and 1917, in honor of 18th century slave owner and Whig enthusiast George Washington. This area houses the Justice Bell, which is a Liberty Bell replica and a symbol of the women's suffrage movement. The walls surrounding it memorialize war veterans. I really liked the Gothic-style architecture and these open-air walkways, and walking around the outdoor portion turned out to be a nice, calming way to end my park tour. I wasn't really interested in the church interior, but I still went in to get a shot of it. And then I set out for home, tired but glad I'd spent a day out exploring. My somewhat botched park tour notwithstanding.